There we go again. Got another dash cover. What y'all think? I don't have it taped down. I can Velcro this down right here and Velcro, but this one fits a little bit better than the last one. If you can see that. So I might keep this one right here. Hopefully y'all can hear me pretty good. I do have a microphone. So I'm just pretty much doing this video just to show y'all this dash cover. This is the company. Got this off of eBay. Yeah. I wanted to try this microphone out and also get y'all a little bit of content on this dash cover. I think I'm gonna rock with this one. Got the car started, trying to charge up the battery a little bit. Haven't started it up in a week or so. I should have got y'all a cool start, but I wasn't thinking. Yes, sir. So chime back in if you want to see more. Comment down below. Subscribe to the channel.